Hello guys, so this is the coolest refrigerator that I've ever had. So you might be thinking, what? It's just some stupid old white plain refrigerator. But you're wrong. Watch this. So when you press this dispenser here, free snack! For real, let me try that again. Okay. See, another snack. But, wait, let me try that again. Okay. And okay there. So oops. Okay, it's all yours. So what I'm basically trying to say is this refrigerator gives you anything you want. Like look. So say you wanted a spoon and you ran out of spoons. So look, pretend that the spoons are not here anymore. Well, if you press these buttons and okay, and a free spoon. You don't have to buy any more from the store. And you can even spawn a fork and a knife. Watch. Wait. See? If you want utensils, there you have it. Utensils. And it even gives you a pencil. Hold on. Look. See? Pencil! I could even spawn another pencil. Yeah. Except this pencil has scratches and it's like almost the same. I'm gonna fix that soon. Highlighter? Bam! Highlighter! Even though this is broken. This might be the most dangerous part, but batteries? Boom! Pen? Boom! This refrigerator is not the usual refrigerators that you would see or have. It's a smart refrigerator. Your dad's lost car keys? Bam! Regenerated. Now your dad can drive his car again. Crayons! There you go. Now that's all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. And this is definitely real. 100% no joke. Actually, guys, this isn't real. Okay, so, no, look. So, here's what we did. Let me get one of Phoebe's Jolly Ranchers. Yeah. So, we opened the freezer. You see this thing? We put, these 2 Jolly Ranchers in, close it, and then, there. So, now, this is where the ice usually goes for the ice dispenser. Yeah. And I don't know where the water comes from around here. Maybe over there or what. But the filter's definitely broken. What?
Put my kitty back in there.
Okay, but anyways, that's all. Bye-bye.